Good afternoon. I'm Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group and the Rock, Idaho team, and I wanted to welcome you to the beautiful city of McCall, Idaho, about 2 hours outside of Boise, where I'm going to take you to my new listing on right off the Fairway golf course. It's a condominium. Straight ahead of me is downtown McCall, and you can see the lake and the beautiful mountain range. And the condominium is just a short, I don't know, maybe a mile or two max away from there. So we're going to make a right-hand turn up here right by the Hotel McCall and take you over there. Welcome to the Fairways. These condominiums were built in 1982. Super short walk to the clubhouse, and this is the unit right here, or the garage space for it, that we're going to head into, which is 2A. So you've got a parking there and an additional parking right over here. It's pretty coveted in this neighborhood to have 2 parking spots. And this garage is big enough to put an SUV in. Pan out a little bit here. So you walk in through the front door, and the unit itself is right down the stairs here, and your garage spot's right here. Now there's some storage stuff in here right now, so it might not look quite as big as it is. Notice it has a drain here, textured and painted walls, and it is nice and deep. Fluorescent lighting, garage door opener, GFCI protected. Now we're gonna go downstairs. So you come home from a day of skiing or golfing, and what's really unique about this unit being on the ground floor is you have this little sitting area here and all this additional storage. So you can put your skis, your golf clubs, whatever you want there. And you are at 2A. Let's go inside and take a look. I'm gonna take my shoes off. I feel like Mr. Rogers. I don't have a sweater on though. So off to my immediate left are 2 bedrooms and a bath. Additional storage right here. And then as we walk into the main level of the house, not main level, but main living area, you have the beautiful kitchen with the really deep sink. You have the GESS appliances, stainless steel, nice microwave. You have the bread pantry there, beautiful refrigerator. Some more storage over here on my right. Nice eating space here. Nice tall 9-foot ceilings. And just huge family room. This couch is very big, and you'll just notice the scenic views from the room. Looking out over the golf course and the walking track there in the wintertime. And one of my favorite parts of the house is this back covered porch. Just would be amazing for entertaining in the spring, summer, and early fall. And you can walk right down the steps out to the golf course. Partial mountain views, but you just have these beautiful trees everywhere. Just gorgeous. We have a nice sky today too. Of course, you have the fireplace to warm up next to. Nice wall for the TV. And here's another look at the rear patio. And both bedrooms on this side of the house have sliders that go out to the patio also, which is really cool. All right. On this side of the house, you have a door that goes into a bathroom there. Here's the primary suite. That's a queen size bed there, so you see how much room there is still for desks and tables, king size bed if you wanted it. You have a white lid or ceiling in here throughout the house, and your own private balcony off of the primary. This goes right into the closet area over here on the left with the louvered doors. You have this sink, nice big mirror, lights, wood trim throughout the house. It's the door that goes back into the dining, so you can close and lock this for privacy. This goes into the primary bathroom, and you have the jacuzzi tub, tiled, and of course your toilet area. Flat panel electrical throughout the house. You have baseboard heating. It's all electric. Additional heater over here. Hopefully I'm not making you dizzy. There's a lot of thermostats in the house, which is nice. Additional, here's your laundry area here. Additional storage. Additional storage. And you've got, I'll just give you a glimpse in here. Lots of built-ins. And before I get to the restroom there, I'm going to show you bedroom number 2. The louvered closet doors. Again, access out to the back patio. Very neutral paint color. And I love the kind of the wood wallpaper there. Kind of goes with the theme of McCall in general. Very tasteful. Next bedroom. Again, room for any size bed in any of the bedrooms here. Recessed can lighting. And again, the view to the back deck. And last but not least, we have the guest bathroom. We've got your shower, elongated toilet, a heater in here as well, and the sink. Okay, if you have any additional questions, you can ask them of your realtor, or if you're not working with anybody, feel free to give me a call. Sean Taylor, Silver Creek Realty Group, 208-340-0000. And I forgot to mention this kind of cool bar area here as well. The owner on this particular house is willing to sell it furnished, and we can talk details later.